Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Rakesh Kushwaha Tech Guide. In this video, we will learn how to create virtual machine in Windows 10. In this video, we will learn how to create virtual machine in Windows 10 using Hyper-V. With the help of Hyper-V, we can create multiple virtual machine in single physical machine. Hyper-V is the inbuilt feature in Windows 10 to create virtual machine. So first of all, to create virtual machine in Hyper-V, we have to enable Hyper-V role. So Hyper-V not enable it in my machine. So let me show you. If I try to access Hyper-V, it's not showing here. So first of all, we have to enable Hyper-V. To enable Hyper-V, go to Control Panel. To enable Hyper-V, go to Control Panel, and now in Control Panel, you have to go in Programs. In Programs, click on Turn Windows feature on or off. We have to click on it. Turn Windows feature on or off. Now you can see in Windows feature there is option is Hyper-V. You can see here Hyper-V. Expand it. Just select here checkbox. Enable Hyper-V. Hyper-V platform here. Enable Hyper-V service here. Click on OK. Just click on OK. To enable Hyper-V, it will reboot. To complete this process, we need to restart our PC. Just click on restart now. Restarting here. Now after restart PC, just to open Hyper-V, just type here in search box Hyper-V. Now you will see Hyper-V Manager here. Just click on it. So friends, you can see here Hyper-V Manager. So we have successfully enabled Hyper-V. Now to create virtual machine, before going to create virtual machine, we have to create virtual switch manager. We have to create here virtual switch manager. Virtual switch manager allow us to make communication between our virtual network into physical network. We will make communication between virtual machine to physical machine with the help of virtual switch manager. So just click on it. So what type of virtual switch do you want to create? External. So external switch bind to physical network adapter so that virtual machine can access your physical network. If you will select internal, so means your virtual machine cannot communicate with your physical network connection. If you select private here, then your virtual switch that can be used only by the virtual machine. I'm going to select here external and click on create virtual switch. So here you can give the name of your virtual switch. Switch 1 or 2 switch VM. Anything. It's up to you. You can get description here. So here again it's asking external network, internal network and private. If you select external network, then you have to define your physical network. You can also create here VLAN ID. So click on apply and OK. After create virtual switch manager, Now we have to create virtual machine here. Just right click here and click on new virtual machine. So click next here, specify the name. I'm selecting here Windows XP. I'm going to install Windows XP in Windows 10. So here is a location. If you want to select different location, then you can browse from here. Now click on next here. Now here choose the generation of virtual machine. It's a 32-bit or 64-bit. So I'm selecting here generation 1. You can select here use dynamic memory. For Windows XP, I'm selecting here 256 MB memory here. So you can choose also use dynamic memory for this virtual machine. Click on next. So now you have to select here created virtual switch. Select here, click on next. 10 GB NF for Windows XP. So click on next. You can also use external hard disk. Click on next here. It's asking for install an operating system later. Operating system from bootable CD-ROM. I'm selecting here image file, which is already in my PC here. If you have ISO file on your physical machine, then click on browse here, select image file and click on browse. Go to location. So I have this file, ISO file. Click on next and then finish. Now it's creating disk here, configuring here. Now you can see here your virtual machine has been created here. Just right click and click on connect. Click on start here.
And began with the help of hypervisor in Windows 10. So let it complete this setup here. Now here is asking for partition. If you want to create more than one partition or two partition, you can create from here. Select NTFS format, partition type, select fat, give it. Now it's formatting the disk. After formatting, it will copying file in disk. So let it complete here. So friends, you can see how to create virtual machine in Windows 10 with the help of hypervisor. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.